Speak. Can laziness cost your life? Listen to this powerful story of vultures. One day, a flock of vultures reached a beautiful island full of food. They found plenty of fish and food without any effort. Slowly, they became lazy and stopped flying. One old vulture realized something was wrong. He warned them, "We must leave, or we will be in danger." But no one listened. They ignored his warning. So, the old vulture decided to leave. All alone. After a few days, danger arrived on the island. How to fly, and were attacked. When the old vulture returned, break time equals 0. For S/, he was shocked. Laziness makes you weak. Stay strong and keep moving. /speak